Spotlight is a very powerful tool that was first introduced in Mac OS X. I personally use Spotlight every day, from searching up different applications, documents, all the way to definitions, and even some math equations. Even though it's already powerful enough, but some users like me can find some bad things about it too. Spotlight seems a little slow from time to time, and the search category isn't very huge. So in this video, I will show you an app that I'm using every day now to replace Spotlight. When I say alternative app to Spotlight, most of you guys should probably think Quicksilver. No doubt Quicksilver is a very popular alternative app to Spotlight, but I personally don't like its user interface, and some reason it's a little slow to me. Therefore, I want to show you guys another app called Alfred. I can tell you guys one good thing about it already, which is the price. Alfred comes at the price of $0, although there is a power pack that you guys are able to purchase for additional features, which I'll talk about later. If you guys want to get Alfred, just simply click on the link in the box below and download it. It's currently in version 0.9, so it's still developing, but I think it's a great app already. We'll first briefly look at the preferences panel. By going to the general section, you're able to choose whether you want to start Alfred once you open your computer. The hotkey you want to activate Alfred. In addition to that, you're able to choose the location you're at, which will help you with your searches later on. And the last option is to quit Alfred. Now to the features category. There's a lot of things in here, so I'll just go through the basic ones. You're able to select what types of files you want Alfred to search for. Generally, the more boxes you checked off, the longer it will take Alfred to show your search results. Then we'll take a look at the web searches sections, which I find it very useful. And here I have every box checked. What it does is that we're able to search on the website with an Alfred. You guys might be a little bit confusing right now, so let me show you guys an example. Let's use Google for this example. So instead of going to Google website every time to do a search, you're able to launch Alfred and type in whatever you want to search on Google website. So for example, let's search for YouTube. What I want to do is I type in Google, and then in here you see search Google for ... Click on that and then type in YouTube. It will open up your default web browser, and there you have it. So this makes it very convenient and very useful. The other options in the Features tab may not be accessible to you when you have the free version. This is where the Power Pack comes in. This is where you're going to pay for Alfred so you can have additional features, like playing and pausing songs on iTunes, having more themes on Alfred, looking through recent documents. There's a lot of things you can do with the Power Pack on Alfred, so I definitely suggest you guys check out the Alfred website for more details. The next three tabs, I'm not going to go through those as it's pretty straightforward. If you do really need help, there's description under each field. Now I'm going to show you some tests with Alfred, so you guys can get an idea of how fast it searches for the things. So let's just say I want Alfred to help me look for text edit. So what I want to do is I type in text edit. As you guys can see, it launches already. So now let's try to search for some documents and files. I have a file called YouTube. As you guys can tell, once I press it, it launches right away. Also, just like Spotlight, you're able to search for a word definition. Just type in define. Once you see this over here, just go ahead and press space and type in the word you want to look for. So let's just say Apple. Press enter and it will launch dictionary up, and you have it, the definition of Apple. Also, you're able to type in math equations and it will show you the answer right away. Really guys, through this test you're able to see how fast Alfred can react and launch to applications, files, documents. Well, that's it for now guys. Thank you all for watching. I hope this video helped you out. A lot more tutorials like this will be coming up on its way, so feel free to subscribe and stay tuned. Remember, you guys can follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/weeklytag123. Just before this video ends, I just want to say that I'm trying to sell my Microsoft Arc Touch Mouse and my Microsoft Digital Keyboard 3000. If you guys are interested in purchasing those, just go ahead and send me a PM message through YouTube.